Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to download and install the top Android emulators on your PC. Today, we'll walk you through the process for BlueStacks, NoxPlayer, Emulator, LD Player, and Genymotion on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Let's get started. 1. BlueStacks, Windows and macOS *. 1. Visit the official BlueStacks website at BlueStacks.com. 2. Click on the download button for Windows or macOS. 3. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. 4. Launch BlueStacks after installation and complete the initial setup. Linux *. 1. BlueStacks is not officially supported on Linux, but you can use a virtual machine to run it. Install VirtualBox, create a new VM, and install Windows on it. Then, follow the Windows installation steps for BlueStacks. 2. NoxPlayer, Windows and macOS *. 1. Go to bignox.com and click Download. 2. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. 3. After installation, launch NoxPlayer and complete the initial setup. Linux *. 1. Similar to BlueStacks, you'll need a virtual machine. Install VirtualBox and set up a Windows VM. Then, follow the Windows installation steps for NoxPlayer. 3. Emulator, Windows *. 1. Head to emulator.com and click Download. 2. Run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. 3. Launch Emulator and complete the initial setup. Mac *. 1. Currently, Emulator is not available for macOS. Consider using BlueStacks or another emulator. Linux *. 1. Use VirtualBox to set up a Windows VM. Follow the Windows installation steps for Emulator. 4. LD Player, Windows *. 1. Visit ldplayer.net and click on Download. 2. Run the installer and follow the instructions to complete the installation. 3. Launch LD Player and set it up. Mac *. 1. LD Player is not available for macOS. Use BlueStacks or another alternative. Linux *. 1. Set up a Windows VM using VirtualBox. Follow the Windows installation steps for LD Player. 5. Genymotion, Windows and macOS *. 1. Go to genymotion.com and sign up for an account. 2. Download the installer for your operating system. 3. Run the installer and follow the setup instructions. 4. After installation, launch Genymotion and log in. Linux *. 1. Download the Linux version from genymotion.com. 2. Open a terminal and navigate to the download location. 3. Make the file executable with chmod plus x file name. 4. Run the installer with // file name and follow the instructions.